Hi, it's Anthony from CarPlayLife.com, and in this video I'll be looking at the new ApplePie Lite, which is a wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter from Exploter. This rather unique looking wireless dongle simply converts an existing wired CarPlay system into a wireless one, and it also supports wireless Android Auto. So if your vehicle only supports CarPlay and you have an Android phone, you'll be able to bring Android Auto to your CarPlay system too. In the box you get the car-shaped wireless dongle itself, and there is a USB-A to C charging cable, as well as a USB-A to C adapter for more modern CarPlay systems. Looking over the dongle itself, it's clear that we have a rather unique looking car-shaped casing for this dongle. Its size feels similar dimensions to the M&B Adapter Plus dongle. There are two LED status lights at the rear of the car-shaped dongle that light up red and blue when powered up. There is a USB-C output port at the front, and finally there's a USB-A input port at the back. I tried this dongle on a number of CarPlay setups that I have available, and I can only get it working on my Alpine aftermarket system. It didn't work on my newest Pioneer 93 DAB system, or reliably on my Deciter Android OS head unit that's in my Golf. My Alpine aftermarket had no problem running this dongle, and I'm sure it will work fine on factory wired CarPlay systems also. But if you're interested in buying this dongle, I would reach out to their support team to check compatibility with your vehicle before buying one. Plugging the dongle into my CarPlay USB port, the little car-shaped dongle lights up, and I soon landed on its boot menu in around 14 seconds. From here, you only have one interaction on this boot screen that is kind of hidden, and that is to switch between CarPlay and Android Auto platforms. Sadly, you can't swap without rebooting the adapter, and to do this you just have to tap twice on the icon on the bottom left hand corner, and you'll be prompted to double tap on this icon again to reboot into the alternative platform, be it CarPlay or Android Auto. Displayed on the home screen is the current firmware version on the bottom right, and also in the middle there is a Bluetooth profile name that you'll need to search for and connect to from your iPhone or Android device. To do this, you simply enter the Bluetooth settings menu on your phone and wait for the adapter's profile to appear on the nearby devices list. Once selected, your device will connect to CarPlay or Android Auto wirelessly and display your chosen platform from your phone onto your CarPlay display. It took around 18 seconds to connect my iPhone to wireless Apple CarPlay on this adapter, and 45 seconds in total if you include the boot up of my Alpine system. Personally, I thought 18 seconds is a decent speed for a wireless adapter, and once in the wireless Apple CarPlay, everything felt rapid and responsive. I checked its Wi-Fi specs, and it had a max data rate of 433.3 megabits per second. And looking at some of the other specs, I would say its Wi-Fi chip is the same, if not similar, to the Ottocast U2-X, which also offers both CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly, and they both share similar signal rates and signal to noise ratio specs. But as I said, the connection felt solid and both input felt responsive. The general expected audio lag was present here also, but it felt a little bit faster, leaning between 1 to 2 seconds when swapping tracks. I decided to try updating the dongle to the latest firmware, so I connected my iPhone to the browser config menu of the dongle. From here, the software page felt very similar to the new dongles that are selling today, with options to change video and audio streaming modes, to help with compatibility in various cars, to view current version numbers and submit any issues or problems you have to their support team. After what was a rather lengthy update time, the adapter had an extra setting to add a start delay to it, again to help with any compatibility issues that some vehicles may face. Being installed in my demo pod, I wasn't able to test the microphone or call performance of this dongle, but I expect it to be similar to the Ottocast U2-X adapter. And if you choose to, you can choose to charge your iPhone from the USB-A port on the back of the dongle without disconnecting it for longer journeys and general charging. Connecting to Android Auto from this dongle can be done both wired from the USB-A input port for a faster connection, or wirelessly by connecting to the same Bluetooth profile of the dongle, which saw me connect wirelessly to Android Auto within 8 seconds from the boot menu to 18 seconds from connecting power to the dongle itself. Like wireless CarPlay, everything felt as you'd expect with Android Auto. Navigation felt rapid, swapping between navigation and music modes was responsive and smooth. Audio lag felt a little bit more improved than in CarPlay, and of course all of this can be faster and more reliable if you choose to connect your Android over a cable connection instead. This ApplePie Lite wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter from Exploter currently retails for $79.99, and you can use my code ApplePie007 to get $5 off your order at checkout. So check out my links in the video description down below to learn more about this dongle and to buy yourself one. With its car-shaped design, it's nice to see a new approach for these wireless dongles. However, inside though, it really isn't that much different to some of the other wireless adapters that are selling today. More specifically, the Ottocast U2-X. And it just has the same, if not similar, software as that dongle as well. So I expect the same vehicle compatibility. So at the end of the day, this wireless adapter is mainly an aesthetic choice, and it also adds itself to a rather small list of 2-in-1 dongles for Android Auto support for Apple CarPlay-only car systems. Compared to other dongles, it does float up to the top half of my wireless dongle table in terms of Wi-Fi specs, which will no doubt help with stability and speed of interactions when using this dongle wirelessly. So if you're on the lookout for a 2-in-1 dongle for your CarPlay system, this dongle from Exploter comes in a lot cheaper than the similar specs U2-X 2-in-1 adapter from Ottocast for what is basically the same hardware with a slightly newer software inside its fancy car-shaped housing. So if it's between these two adapters, I would go with the ApplePie Lite adapter. If you'd like to watch another 2-in-1 wireless CarPlay dongle video, you can check out this video up here, and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching though to the end of this video. If you have, please leave me a thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any questions about this ApplePie Lite dongle. And I'll look forward to seeing you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.